Hi everyone, my name is Sylvia. Have you ever considered what might be in your crawlspace or air ducts? The video I'm about to show you is a very rare case where we found the dryer vent hook to one of our clients' crawlspace. It was severely damaged and needed our assistance to be cleaned and replace the ductwork. It is crucial for everyone to pay close attention to where your dryer vent is releasing all the lint and debris that can potentially cause a fire and other health issues. This is a demonstration of our process to clean the crawlspace and replace the dryer vent.